Students, today we are going to read about the chapter 2nd B, the growth of nationalism. In this, we will read about the American War of Independence. American War of Independence means America did not get the independence directly. It had war. And that is also known as the Revolution period. Mostly 18th century period was known as Age of Revolution, and America had also the revolution in that 18th century. Approximately, you can say 1776 was the year when America had the revolution. So many revolutions came in 18th century, like we have read French Revolution, and now we people are going to read about American Revolution, which is also known as the American War of Independence. As you know, America was discovered in 1492 AD by Columbus. After discovery, Britain, so many, not only Britain, Holland, France, Spain, England, so many other were there who just wanted to establish their colonies in America for their business. Britain settled 13 colonies, and these colonies just had the business in America and they settled in America. And these colonies became the main reason of the revolution. The roots of the American Revolution can be traced to the year 1763 when British leaders began to tighten imperial reign. Due to certain economic and political measures, the harmonious relation between Britain and the colonies became increasingly tense. Not only this, but other reasons were also there, like introduction of Sugar Act, Stamp Act, and so many other. Now we will read about the causes of the American War of Independence. Like first cause was mismanagement of the colonies. Most of the people settled in these colonies had come from England, but they were not given the same rights as the Englishmen were living in England enjoying. So this was the major reason, you can say. Economic exploitation of the colonies, that was the another reason of cause, or you can say that was another cause of American War of Independence. England wanted to exploit the colonies of maximum, but they were not prepared for this. The colonists wanted to expand and run their business and industries themselves, but the British government was not allowing them. So that's why there was the war. 7 Year War with France was the another reason. 7 Year War was fought between England and France in America, India, and Central Europe countries. During the 7 Year War, England had spent a lot on the defense of her colonies. So, if it wanted to impose more taxes on the colonies, but the colonies refused to share the burden. So, that was the another reason for the war. Next, immediate cause of the revolt was that was Sugar Act, Stamp Act, and Declaratory Act. Means so many acts were passed by British government, and that became the immediate cause of the revolt. Like Sugar Act, in Sugar Act, they just banned the import of molasses from overseas countries except England. Stamp Act, that was very important act, which was introduced, or you can say passed by British government, British Parliament in 1765. According to this act, according to this act, American colonists have to pay a tax on each and every piece of printed paper. Either it is ship's paper, legal document, license, or newspaper. Even they have just imposed the tax on the playing cards. To stop this act, or against this act, you can say American raised a slogan, and that is very important. They have raised a slogan, no taxation without representation. Students, this means that they told that The British government does not have right to impose a taxation without the representation. Means British government was imposing taxes without any prior permission of prior information to the Americans. So Americans were against this. But British government was not just settling quietly. They just imposed another tax, that was Declaratory Act. When Stamp Act met with a great resistance, to curb that resistance, British Parliament passed another act, that is Declaratory Act. According to this act, British government announced or declared that the British Parliament was fully empowered to impose taxes on America. This means the British Parliament is having full right to impose taxes on America without the prior consent or without the prior permission of Americans or prior information of Americans. So we have read the causes. In the next video, I will just explain you about the impact of the war. Thank you very much.